Good afternoon, it's Andy at Attleborough Auto Centre. Just arrived into stock. It's 2010 Mini Cooper Graphite edition. Covered 47,000 miles. As you can see, really good condition for its age. Nice specification with a multi-function steering wheel. Air conditioning, 2 keys, some service history. We will supply this with our standard 3-month RAC warranty that includes 12 months free breakdown cover. Check out our website for more photos, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.